In this video, I'll be showing you all the features of Happn app premium. If you purchased a premium subscription for a Happn dating app, then how can you use it, or how can you get a premium subscription if you don't have it? So the first thing is about just I will let you know that the feature that what features you will get in this premium subscription. So, enjoy a better experience by unlocking the Happn premium powers. This is on the official website of Happn dating app here. So, the perks are: see who is interested, find out now who liked your profile and get a crush. You will get 10 hellos per day to send to the people who caught your eye. Then play twice as many crush time games. That means twice as many opportunities to get crush. So get started now. So this will be ad free subscription for all of you. You won't get any type of ad in between you're chatting with someone on the Happn app. So these four will be the perk of a premium subscription. Now let's talk about how can you get it. To get it, there is a only option. This is a in-app purchase. It means the purchased option will be seen in the application only. As I don't have an Happn account right now, but I'm showing you the process how can you get a premium on that. Here you just have to download this and open this on your screen. Now, if you have an active account, you will get a premium upgrade option in the home page itself on your application's device. So then you can click on it, add a payment method, then subscribe to premium successfully and enjoy the perks. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.